Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off privacy settings on Roblox. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open any browser and search for Roblox. Open Roblox and log in into your account. As you can see, I already logged in. So first step you simply need to do is to click on continue in browser and log in into your account, and then you simply need to click on this gear icon on the top right and click on settings. Once you are here, you simply need to click on account info and click on privacy. So once you are here, and here you can see when this setting is enabled, this account can only access content that is appropriate for all audience. Additionally, communication settings will be set to off. So you simply need to click here. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.